If you've been trying to recover from hair loss or just struggling with balding and excessive shedding, then my friend, you've come to the right place. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video is another DIY treatment. So first on the list is fenugreek seeds, and this is how they look like. So next on the list is cloves. I will be using clove sticks, but if you have cloves powder, you can use that too. Okay, beautiful people, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. Back to the video. So last on the list is rosemary. I'm using dry leaves, but if what you have is fresh leaves, you can use that too. And this is the jar I'll be using, and now let's jump to the exciting part, the benefits these ingredients can provide to your hair if you decide to incorporate them in your hair care routine. So fenugreek is rich in proteins and nicotinic acids, which are known to stimulate new hair growth and also make your hair shiny and black. It is also an excellent remedy for reducing dandruff and infection on your scalp. Fenugreek controls hair loss, triggers hair growth, nourishes hair and scalp, and also works as a natural conditioner. Cloves helps to increase circulation to the scalp and in turn work to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Cloves are naturally and an easy solution for keeping the hair and scalp clean. Cloves eliminates dandruff, strengthens hair, improves blood circulation, protects your strands from damage, controls hair loss. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients and add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting your scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which further help in the hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is a better blood circulation which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it. Due to its anti-inflammatory property, it also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. So this is how the infusion looks like. The color has changed. Rosemary strengthens circulation. As a result, it could prevent hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off and leading to hair loss. Rosemary is abundant in isolate acid, which helps increase the circulating of blood to the scalp surface. This helps alleviate scalp irritation and suppress hair loss. And I use this as a leave-in spray to moisturize my hair, followed by an oil and my hair butter. If you'd like to see my moisturizing routine, please leave a comment down below in the comment section and let's chat. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in my next one.